Welcome back to Day 1 French, episode 12 of 20, week 3, actions and time. I'm Louis.
And I'm Claire. People moving, to festivals, to borders, to safety, is half the news. Today, movement and the map of the world.
Today's sentence, real news speed.
Des milliers de personnes viennent en France pour le festival. Here it is, one more time, slowly. Des milliers de personnes viennent en France pour le festival.
First, the crowd. Episode 4 gave you more than 10,000 people, a precise crowd. Today's is vaguer and even more journalistic. Thousands of people. Claire?
Des milliers de personnes.
Your turn.
Des milliers de personnes.
Now the two directions of all human traffic. To come, they come. Claire.
Ils viennent.
Your turn, repeat after her.
Ils viennent. To go, they go. Ils vont. Ils vont. Come and go. With to be, to have and to say, that's 5 of the 10 most common verbs in French news. Now listen very closely. She comes, then they come. Elle vient. Ils viennent.
Did you hear it? Viennent. Viennent. The plural actually sounds different. After 10 days of silent plurals, French finally lets you hear one. Frame this moment. Where are they coming? To France? And in those two little words hides today's quirk, one of my favorites of the whole series.
En France.
Your turn, repeat after Claire.
En France. Here's the quirk. Countries have genders. France is a she, Canada is a he, the United States are a they, and the tiny word for tu changes with each one. Listen. En France, au Canada, aux États-Unis.
She countries take the first one, he countries the second, plural countries the third. Your turn, say, to Canada.
Au Canada. Au Canada. Rule of thumb. Countries whose names end in the letter E are usually she countries. It works alarmingly often.
Let's pin the big ones, the countries you'll hear nightly, with their genders showing.
La France, le Canada, l'Espagne, l'Italie, les États-Unis.
Pick your favorite and say it out loud.
La France. And the nationality trick, French, Canadian, American. Français, Canadien, Américain.
The full map, 25 countries, genders and nationalities, is on today's sheet at linguawire.com/day1. One of the highest value sheets of the series, every international story starts with a country name.
And now say the phrase that brought you here in the first place. Repeat after me. I'm learning French. J'apprends le français. J'apprends le français.
Yes, you are. From the top. Claire, slowly.
Des milliers de personnes viennent en France pour le festival.
Thousands of people are coming to France for the festival. Real speed.
Des milliers de personnes viennent en France pour le festival. Your turn, the whole sentence, out loud, audible plural, and all. Repeat after me. Des milliers de personnes viennent en France pour le festival. Très bien.
Day 12. Come and go. The audible plural. Countries with genders and the map of the world. The sheet at linguawire.com/day1 carries 25 countries and nationalities. Printable.
And today's 10-minute homework is a geography round. Genuinely fun, I promise. Demain, le sommet commence lundi.
Tomorrow, the summit begins on Monday. The calendar at last. See you then.
À demain.